So guys, I'm having my nice hair here, my nice hairstyle, self-made. You can see it. They're looking nice. They're looking wow. So, and they're not a lot, and they're not too much on my head. I've been using this one here. This is ponytail, and I have just a pinch of kinky, because my hair is a bit softer, not that soft, but it's a bit softer. So to make them last for a certain period, I have to feed in a strand of kinky. So guys, I'm gonna just show you briefly how I achieved my style. Yeah, I don't know how you want to call it. Oh, there's a nice style, yeah, a nice style. So guys, and this one took me ages to finish. It took me so much time, yeah, because of the leave outs, because I have to do the leave outs. I have to drop them, so it took me sometimes, as in some hours. It took me some hours. Then I was like this. I started yesterday in the night, and then today I'm winding up. I only left the hairline for front, the hairline up, and then the front part. So I'm gonna make it like that, and then I'm gonna grip this one here. Gripping is the normal way I normally just do my normal braids. If I want it to look neat and stay for long, or last for long, I do like that. So that's how I do it. I make a bit tight on the scalp, not that tight that I can't breathe, but somehow tight, just to be firm, guys, not tight really. And then when I reach there, I come like this. I turn my fingers to be able to get the twisting moment. So I make into two like that, and then from there, I don't know if you can see it well. Now I start picking my ponytail. I feed in like that. So I'm gonna do the twisting. I'm gonna do the twisting a little bit like that, and then I come and remove this one here. This one I put it away. I do not want them to be so thick. Yeah, so I put this one away, and that's why I'm doing it that way, because I don't like when I have two heavy things on my head. I love when I have it light, because I'm not a person of heavy things. And then I'm gonna add another one like that, just the normal way you add while twisting. And then I'm gonna twist like two, 3 times for it to be firm first, and then I can be able to drop. So I'm dropping the one I just added. So I drop it like that, and then I continue twisting it that way. You have to make sure it's straight, like that. So you can see the remaining part is like that. So this remaining part, I'm gonna put a knot at the end. Not that much, but I'm just gonna put a small knot at the end. Pick the long one, and then split it like that, and then put a knot. So like that. You just put the knot the way you normally do it. you can do it 2 times the same hole, because this one is silky and it's easier for it to come out if you don't put 2 times. See, it's invisible, so that's how it looks like that. You can see it looks that way, so that one is gone. So guys, we're gonna do another one. We're gonna do another one, that one here, or this one here, guys. So we do this one here like that. I'm using Bamsy molding gel, Bimsy molding gel from the way far away from Kenya, far away from Kenya. So I'm gonna use another kinky. Don't say I didn't show you. Which hair did you use? You guys, you always ask, which hair did you use? Which hair did you use? Even if I show you, still ask. Yeah. Stop skipping the video, watch them to get the hair details there. So guys, I'm gonna fix it. I'm putting the hair at the back part like that, and then I have to make it into 3 that way, and then I be doing 3 until somewhere, let me say like that. So if I'm here like this, you can see, then I have to split this one, the one in the middle or in the center. So I split it like that, and then I use my hair here, I add like this. So adding like that, I start twisting it immediately. Make it a bit firm. When it's firm, then you can drop one from there, like now here. I drop one, and then I continue making it like that, just a little bit, and then I'm gonna add another one. But before I really split this one here, it's too thick one side. I put it out that way, then I'm gonna add still another one. Here we go, the last one. So the whole head I've been just adding 2 times, just to ponytail strands until I'm done with the hair. So guys, you check if it's right. So that way. So I've been doing it that way until I'm done with this hair. So it's very, very simple, very easy for me, as I'm very light on my head. I don't have to stress myself. Oh, how will I hold it? How will I make it? No, I don't have to do that. So guys, pull the knot. I don't know if you can see the way I'm putting my knots here. So remember the same hole you have to bring 2 times, and then after it's 2 times inside here. Yeah, inside, you pull it, and after pulling it, it will look like that. So instead of you leaving it like that, you pull it again all together like that, and then it forms a one. And it's misbehaving because you guys are watching. Now like that, it behaves like that. And now from there, guys, what do you say? What are you say, guys? What are you say? What are you say? Guys, what are you say? So this is how I look. Let me show you. Down, guys. That's how I look, guys. Dun. So, and after that, so I have this one here, guys. Don't look the amount. Look at it. This one. I'm using this one here. to make them shine, guys. To make them shine, guys. You just put a little. You don't have to put too much. It makes them to be soft and shiny. Yeah, you just put on them on the curly parts. It's good for your hair as well. So it makes them to be easier. So to handle them, you don't have to stress yourself with them. So guys, I'm going to show you how I look now. I look now. Yeah, you see? So I can make them the way I want, guys. Maybe tight, but they can't bite me. They can't bite me, guys. So I'm ready to be taken now, guys. Never mind, that's me. I talk too much, guys. I talk too much. So you can say you want them like that. Remember, this hair is good. It's good, guys. It's good. And you see, the curls are good. It's not sticking anywhere or tangling. Yeah, like it's synthetic, yes, but it's good. It's really good. If something is good, I tell you guys, it's good. If something is good, it's good. Yeah, like that. But only that you don't have to put water on it. You can put water once, yeah, but always in water, it's gonna tangle. It's gonna tangle. But so far, so good. Now the back part. Can you see me, guys? So apart from that, you can still leave them like that. This one parts, I'm not good with this one. I don't look good that way. I don't like parting my hair. So you can part both sides the way you want. Yeah, the side one looks good on me. The one in the center, as in center parting, doesn't look good. Doesn't look good on me. So like that, and then you can as well put them up. Very light, guys. They're very light. Remember, if you want this hair to last a little bit longer, you can even use your hair, your natural hair, and then you just add the ponytail inside. Yeah, but the problem is if your hair is not that strong, then you just be doing zero work like that. So instead of you doing zero work, try and see the way you can do it best. Okay, guys, so I think I'm gonna leave you now, and we're gonna see us next time. Yeah, so I don't have the clip here, but I think if you can hold it like that, it's also good. No, I have the clip. I have the clip here, guys. It's just to show you how you can hold it if you want to change some styles, huh? Like that, and then you can leave some here if you like these ones here. I'm not that fan of it that much. Yeah, but you can leave some. Those like yeah, 15, 16, or those who likes it. We have also grown-ups who like it like this, but for me, I don't like it like that. So guys, that way you can do it all over as far as you made them well, like here I see, and then they can be looking awesome. So guys, I'm good to go. You can see me. I'm good to go. I'm good to go. I'm good to go. I'm good to go. So guys,